Alright everybody, so I'm going to explain what everything you need to have in this practice assignment. So you're going to make a web page, and on that web page you're going to have the different types of lists that you're learning in Chapter 3. Alright, so the main topic of the page is lists, so that means that's an H1. And then you're going to have 4 other headers. Notice they're all the same size. That means they're all going to be H2s. Alright, so your first lists are going to be movies that you like. Don't copy my list. Come up with your own list. And your list does not have to be 5 movies long. It can be longer. So at least 5. So that's going to be an unordered list. So they're movies you like, not necessarily, your top 5 movies. Just random movies you like. The next list will be your top 5 TV shows you like to watch. Alright? This one will be ordered because it's the order matters. They're your top 5 shows. And so don't copy my list. I guess unless that's your exact 5 favorite shows, then I guess we should hang out more. And then the third section, definitions. So you're going to have 3 or more definitions. So you have your term, the definition, term definition, term definition. This is one definition list with 3 terms and definitions. Whatever, just look up definitions on the internet. It could be something, it doesn't have to be serious. It could be fun and funny if you want. And then the last section, a nested list of animals. So a nested list is a list that's inside a list. So here we have, they're both unordered. All the lists here are unordered. So your main list is going to be bird. Listen, yours does not have to be birds, insects, and reptiles. It can be, other types of animals if you want. Just don't copy mine exactly. And then, so like flamingos, pelicans, and roadrunners, this would be a list inside the bird's LI. That's how you want to do nested lists. I made a video on nested lists. I suggest you watch that because I've come to find out that I'd say at least half the people that do nested lists do them wrong. So make sure you watch the video and you put the nested list in the right spot. Alright, so anyway, your nested list is going to have, your main list will have 3 categories of animals, and then under each category you'll have a list of 3 or more of that type of animal. So like here you have 3 birds, 3 insects, 3 reptiles. Alright, so that's everything you need to know for this assignment.